Welcome to RMD pattern making 60. Formula for shirt pattern making. Shirt pattern drag shirt full length 28 inch, full chest 38 inch, full waist 36 inch, full hips 38 inch, full collar 15 inch, shoulder to shoulder 17 inch, full sleeve length 26 inch. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click the icon button for next video. Let's go start pattern. Here I start in pattern draft, chart block pattern drafting. Before I mark vertical line, this is center front line and full children line, shoulder and neck line. Now I make pass half neck with collar, chain of 2 of full collar, half neck with 3 inch, half neck with chain of 2 of full collar, center front neck deep 3.5 inch, 3 inch front, center front neck deep. Now here drawing front neckline, baseline, drawing triangle A line 1 inch up for front neckline shape. Diagonal mark for center front neck, round line shape, front neck deep, round line. Formula for shirt pattern drafting. Now I make shoulder, half shoulder 8.5 inch, shoulder 17, half 8.5 inch, drawing shoulder slope line, chain of 1 of full collar, shoulder slope 1.5 inch, shoulder slope 1.5 inch, drawing shoulder line. Now here I mark armhole, baseline, full bust divided by 4, bust 38 divided by 4, 9.5 inch, plus 1 cm, 9.78 inch armhole baseline, armhole position, shirt length 28 inch shirt length. Now mark waistline 28 divided by 2, 14 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch down, 17 inch waist position. Drawing armhole and chest baseline, drawing waist baseline. Here drawing bottom hip baseline, armhole and chest baseline, waist baseline, shirt bottom hip baseline. Now here I make chest 38 divided by 4, got 9.5 inch. We added 4 inch loose, 4 3/4 inch loose for full over 4 3/4 divided by 4. We got 118 losing, shirt losing. Waist 36 divided by 4. We got 9 inch, 118 shirt losing. Also here I make shirt 38 divided by 4. Got 9.5 inch and 118 shirt losing. Now here make shirt tail or shirt cap height, full hip divided by 10. We got 738 shirt cap height, shirt tail. Drawing shirt cap height baseline 11 3/4, 10 3/4, 10 3/4. Shirt side seam line 4.5 inch, hip point